Hello, welcome to our next episode on hypertension education. You can check our previous videos. If this is your first time of watching this channel, let's continue from health risks of hypertension. Hypertension, high blood pressure, poses serious health risks, especially when left untreated or poorly managed. Over time, the constant pressure exerted on artery walls can damage vital organs and lead to life-threatening complications. According to the World Health Organization report on hypertension 2023, cardiovascular diseases, CVDs, are the leading cause of death worldwide, and many of these deaths can be prevented by treating hypertension. Every national health leader should regularly assess progress towards improving control of blood pressure to meet their country's targets. Here are the primary health risks associated with hypertension. 1. Cardiovascular diseases. A. Heart attack, myocardial infarction. Increased blood pressure forces the heart to work harder, potentially leading to blocked arteries and heart attacks. B. Heart failure. The heart's muscle thickens and weakens due to prolonged strain, reducing its ability to pump blood effectively. C. Coronary artery disease. Hypertension accelerates the buildup of plaque in coronary arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart. D. Aneurysms. Persistently high blood pressure can cause arteries to weaken and form bulges, which may rupture and cause severe internal bleeding. 2. Stroke. A. Ischemic stroke. Narrowed or blocked arteries reduce blood supply to the brain. B. Hemorrhagic stroke. High blood pressure may cause blood vessels in the brain to burst, leading to bleeding and brain damage. 3. Kidney damage. Chronic kidney disease. Hypertension damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste and regulate fluid and electrolyte balance. Severe cases can lead to kidney failure. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 4. Vision problems. A. Hypertensive retinopathy. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the eyes, causing blurred vision, vision loss, or in extreme cases, blindness. B. Choroidopathy. Fluid buildup under the retina, potentially distorting vision. 5. Cognitive impairment and dementia. Hypertension can reduce blood flow to the brain, increasing the risk of vascular dementia, caused by impaired blood supply to brain tissue. Cognitive decline, memory and decision-making skills may deteriorate over time. 6. Peripheral artery disease, PAD. High blood pressure contributes to the narrowing of arteries in the limbs, leading to pain, reduced mobility, and in severe cases, tissue death, gangrene. 7. Sexual dysfunction. A. In men, hypertension can reduce blood flow to the penis, contributing to erectile dysfunction. B. In women, it may lead to reduced arousal or difficulty achieving orgasm. 8. Complications during pregnancy. A. Preeclampsia, a dangerous condition characterized by high blood pressure during pregnancy, which can harm both mother and baby. B. Eclampsia. Severe cases may lead to seizures or organ damage in pregnant women. 9. Sudden cardiac death. Uncontrolled hypertension can lead to fatal arrhythmias or other heart-related emergencies. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.